How to prevent screencast from disconnecting.
Hey there! Welcome to today's video, where we'll be discussing how to prevent your screencast from disconnecting. Screencasting is a great way to share your screen with others, whether you're giving a presentation or simply showing someone how to do something. However, it can be frustrating when your screencast keeps disconnecting. But worry not, because in this video, I'll be sharing some tips and tricks to help you prevent those annoying disconnections. So, let's get started.
Check your network connection.
The first thing you should do when experiencing screencast disconnections is to check your network connection. A weak or unstable Wi-Fi connection can cause interruptions in your screencast. Make sure you're connected to a reliable and stable network. If you're using Wi-Fi, try moving closer to the router or consider using an Ethernet cable for a more stable connection.
Close unnecessary applications.
Sometimes, having too many applications running in the background can put a strain on your system resources, which may lead to screencast disconnections. To prevent this, it's a good idea to close any unnecessary applications before starting your screencast. This will free up system resources and ensure a smoother screencasting experience.
Disable power saving settings.
Power saving settings on your device can also contribute to screencast disconnections. These settings are designed to conserve battery life by reducing power consumption, but they can sometimes interfere with screencasting. To prevent this, disable or adjust your device's power saving settings before starting your screencast. This will ensure that your device stays connected throughout the session without any interruptions.
Update screencasting software and drivers.
Outdated screencasting software or drivers can often be the culprit behind frequent disconnections. It's important to keep your screencasting software and drivers up to date to ensure compatibility with your operating system and avoid any known issues. Check the official website or support forums of your screencasting software for any available updates, and also make sure to update your device drivers if necessary.
Restart your devices.
When all else fails, sometimes a simple restart of your devices can do wonders. Restarting your computer, smartphone, or casting device can help resolve any temporary glitches or conflicts that may be causing the disconnections. So, before you start your screencast, give your devices a quick restart and see if that solves the problem. That wraps up our video on how to prevent your screencast from disconnecting. Remember, a stable network connection, closing unnecessary applications, disabling power-saving settings, updating your screencasting software and drivers, and restarting your devices can all help you avoid those frustrating interruptions during your screencasts. I hope you found this information helpful and that it improves your screencasting experience. Thanks for watching, and happy screencasting!